the antique and vintage class. The first place goes to Sean Migliencio, something like that. I've always had a hard time.
Right.
Sean and Vicky. Sean and Vicky.
Oh, just Tom.
Get Ed to turn him around.
Huh?
Get Ed to turn him around. There you go.
James Sturgeon. Mr. James Sturgeon, come on up.
Sturgis or Sturgeon?
Second place goes to Craig Strait. Mr. Craig Strait.
All right, Craig! Yeah, buddy! That's the way to do it. Blue Bikers is sunless.
Second place in the custom class goes to Patrick Kennedy. Mr. Patrick Kennedy.
All right, Patrick! Yeah, baby!
Let's give it up for Mr. Dean Kane. Dean Kane. All right, now to first place in the custom class. That goes out to Mr. Mike Trafton. Mike Trafton.
Yeah, that's right. This guy.
All right, now we go on to the metric class. In third place, Mr. Roy Sokola. Come on up, Roy.
No, not yet. I've got to go.
Second place in the metric class, Stephen Stacy. Mr. Stephen Stacy. All right, to first place in the metric, let's give it up to Mr. Mark Sullivan. Mark Sullivan. All right, to the one-off custom class, we give third place to Biker's Dream. All right.
All right, Biker's Dream, yeah! This is going to look real good.
Stephen Deal, Mr. Stephen Deal. To the first place in one-off custom goes to Mr. Greg Cruz. Greg Cruz.
It is the white one.
Class. First place goes to Stephen Goldston. Mr. Stephen Goldston. All right.
Just bring him up here. Please.
All right, to the touring class. Third place goes to Shane Peterson. Mr. Shane Peterson. All right.
Hey, somebody inside.
I don't mind standing next to this one.
Not the age, it's a technique.
That's right.
Second place in touring, Mr. Al Thompson. Mr. Cruz will take it for him.
There you go. Ready. Switch.
All right, first place in touring. This goes to an old friend that coincidentally, I didn't have anything to do with scoring, but I haven't seen him in a long time. I was glad to see that he won this. It's pretty cool. Jeff Moten, come on up, Jeff.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Really? Jeez.
All right, now we move into the trike. In the trike category, you've only got 2 winners. In second place is Mr. Ray Marchman. It goes out to Mr. Charlie Brown. Come on, Charlie. And that festive show goes to Mr. Greg Cruz.